We need to talk about HCMC. More specifically, what is this company and why is it skyrocketing? HCMC, or Healthier Choices Management, has two main business segments: grocery and vaping. And honestly, those two things combined are just amazing. HCMC's recent rise to the moon has been in part because there has been renewed interest in a vaping patent infringement against Philip Morris International, also known as one of the largest tobacco producing companies in the world. The lawsuit was announced in November of last year, so 2020, but picked up investing interest again in late January after someone posted about it on Reddit in the Wall Street Bets forum, and it started to gain traction. And on January 27th, Healthier Choices saw a trading volume of 3 billion shares in one trading day, compared with an average trading day volume of around 356 million. Now, I know what you're thinking. That is a lot of shares to be trading, but here's the caveat. The stock is worth less than a penny. So by every definition, this is literally a penny stock, and maybe not even that. It's like a penny of a penny stock. And last time I checked, it is not traded on Robinhood. So if you are watching this video and you frequently trade on Robinhood, HCMC is not currently supported on Robinhood. However, I checked, it is available on Thinkorswim. And I have seen some news about like insider selling of the stock lately. I haven't been able to find any actual news articles about that, so I can't really talk about that in depth. Once and if news articles come out about that, I will gladly make a video on what I know, but allegedly there has been some insider selling in the past few days of the stock, which I mean, I can definitely see why, because the stock was trading for $0.0001 back in like mid to late January, and then up until like last week where it hit its highs at $0.0065. Now again, that's still not an expensive stock, but when it jumped up from $0.0001 to $0.0065, yeah, I can definitely see why there might be some insider selling. So with all of that in mind, what do the charts look like? As you can see right now on our screen, I am in Thinkorswim, which is where HCMC can be traded. We are currently looking at the 180-day 4-hour chart, and as you can see, up until basically mid-January, this stock was doing absolutely nothing. So we're not really going to focus on that. We are going to focus on this section, basically the last few weeks. Its quick rise to the moon and now its gradual pullback. So for those of you that are in the stock and are looking for possible support and resistance lines, we are going to be going over them. The green lines that are on the screen right now are known as the Fibonacci retracements. For those of you that don't know what those are, the Fibonacci retracements follow the Fibonacci sequence, or also known as the golden spiral. And these numbers can be commonly and frequently found in nature, and for whatever reason, they are also found in the stock market. So that is what these green lines represent. If you want to do a more deeper dive on what the Fibonacci retracements are, I'm sure there are plenty of videos, or if you want me to make a video specifically on them, just let me know, and I will. So looking at this chart with the Fibonacci retracements on them, you can clearly see that they are using these lines as clear support and resistance. You can see 3 solid days here where it was chilling along the 0.0012 cent line. And then as it's moving its way up, you can see that it eventually uses these lines as support and then eventually resistance. You can see its top up here at 0.0065, then it kind of comes down and it doesn't really know what it's doing. It bounces off of this line right here, comes up the next day, teeters along this line, and then you can see it's basically just trading in these channels. However, it is on the decline, and that makes sense due to its ginormous run as of late. So let's look at a little bit closer. Let's look at the 5-day, 5-minute chart. So the thing with Fibonacci retracements is that you have to redraw them for every time frame that you are on. So how you do this is you find the high and then you find the low of that stock price or of the time frame, and that's how it figures out the channels. And as you can see, it works to the T. You can see, so this is what, 5 days ago, so this is probably what, last Wednesday. It basically is just bouncing between this channel right here. If it breaks above one of the lines, actually, no, it doesn't break above one of the lines. I just can't see. Well, yeah, right here. You can see it is clearly using that as resistance. It breaks above it and then it dips below, and it is trouble getting up. You can see it's literally to the, well, not penny, micro penny. I don't even know what's smaller than a penny, but it uses it. You can see when it opened here last Thursday, it hit the 0.0047, broke below the 0.0043, as well as the 0.0039. So that was a bit of a down day, but it comes back, finds the 3.9. Then this is Friday. It literally just chilled along this line the entire time. Nothing wrong with that. And then this is Monday of this week, so the 21st, I think, or 22nd. This is yesterday. You can see it opened up at the 0.0039, clearly did not break that and just decided to tank all the way down to its 5-day low of 0.0026, where it then hovered up and is chilling around the 20-day moving average, which is this blue line here on the screen. This current day right here is Wednesday the 24th. It is a little after 3 p.m. on the East Coast, so that is why you can see that it is not finished. It is still making up its mind on where it wants to go. But for those of you wondering, where is it going to go? Is it going to go up or down? I don't know. I cannot tell you that, nor can anybody else on the internet tell you that. The only thing that I can do is tell you the support and resistance lines and what to look for moving forward. So let's just say, granted I cannot see the future, but let's just say that it closes above the 0.0026 line and it closes below the 0.0034 line. Those two price points will be key support and resistance lines moving forward for the rest of the week. If it does break above the 0.0034 line, the next line of resistance will be 0.0039. So look for that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the charting. If you did, let me know in the comments below. And if this video gets enough love and engagement, I will gladly make another charting video, possibly putting that up on Sunday, this upcoming Sunday, so that you guys can have it for the rest of the week. If you want to see that video, be sure to subscribe, and then also be sure that when you do subscribe to put that notification bell on so you can see that as soon as I post it. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video.